Good morning, friends. This is the Daily Morning Podcast. Today it is 1st of July. I am Devarsh from HDFC Securities. Best quarterly performance in decades. US stock indexes finished higher Wednesday as data showed a recovery in consumer confidence and higher home prices. Both Dow and S&P 500 index booked their best quarterly performance in more than 20 years, while Nasdaq Composite had its best quarter since 1999. Stocks rallied after the testimony to Congress by Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell and US Treasury Secretary Steve underscored an ongoing commitment to anchor the US economy through global public health disaster. In India, we saw 18% more rainfall than average in June as the monsoon covered the entire country in nearly 2 weeks earlier than the usual. There is a lot to chew on Indian economic data front today. First, the index of 8 core infrastructure industries by 23.4% in May from the year earlier, dragged down by more than 2 months of coronavirus lockdowns. India's current account turned positive in the last quarter for FY20 as a result of lower trade deficit and a sharp rise in net invisible receipts. India's fiscal deficit for the first 2 months through May stood at 4.6 trillion rupees, that is 58% of the budgeted target. In corporate news, Jindal Steel and Power will offload its entire stake in Oman-based subsidiary for $1 billion. Kalparul Power Transmission has bagged new orders worth 956 crores. GMM Fowler will acquire ready-made glass line equipment manufacturing capacity at Hyderabad. ONGC reported soft quarterly results as expected. Ahluwalia Contracts, APL Apollo Tubes, Sera Sanitary Ware, Deepak Fertilizer, Garware Technical Fibers, Godfrey Phillips, Opran, La Opala RG, Mishradhatu Nigam, New India Assurance, and RITES have posted their quarterly results yesterday. Do read more about them in our morning note, The Daily. The China Caixin Market Manufacturing PMI data has come in at 51.2 versus the expectation of 50.5. Most markets in Asia Pacific are edging higher today. For our markets, we have been pointing out for the last 4 sessions that the Nifty is now stuck in a narrow trading range between 10,194 to 10,410 levels. Further directional cues are likely to emerge on a move beyond this small range. That is all for the day. For disclaimers, do visit our website www.hdfcsec.com. Thank you for listening in. Have a profitable day ahead.